Alright friends, so after many hours and stressing out and all that kind of stuff, I think I have a water plan, a design. So this is kind of going to be a quick one. If you're hoping to get ideas from this, I'll have another follow-up video like with what I was actually thinking, why I was doing stuff, but for this one it's just for people that know what the hell is going on and might be able to help me think through this and tell me what I could do different. But so you got, let's see if I can do this. So you got this here water tank right there. Maybe my finger works better. Look at that. Okay, so you got a water tank here. That's our fill point would be the highest point there. Comes from the outside, and then obviously we have to vent that also, so my overflow and vent will be the same thing. Then when we start drawing out of the tank, our pump's up here, but you see a T that goes to a dump line. My little what do you call this, guide, or my symbol thing, that circle I made a manual shutoff, and that little symbol I made a check valve, and the arrow on that is the direction the water can flow. So I got a dump line that goes outside. I got another T for potential, there's a shutoff there, but if I needed to add more tanks, I'd be able to do that through that line. And then that's my shutoff for the actual tank itself if I need to do anything. And then that dump line is just for the tank itself. Then the water goes through a little microfilter to get any particulate out before it goes through my pump. Hits a check valve here, because as you see up here you got shore water, and that way the pressure from that doesn't go back into my pump if I'm using shore water. Then it goes through a little accumulator tank. You got a check valve here too, so it can't then go outside. And then it goes further down the system. I'm going to have a little system drain here that actually ties into my dump line here, believe it or not. So that's where I can drain the rest of the system. And then it comes, this is a cold line that goes into my water heater, vents out the side of the bus itself, and then we got shutoffs on both sides of the water heater. Cold water goes in, hot water comes out. Hot water runs to the shower and then to our sink, and then if the cold water doesn't go in the water heater, it goes to the shower and then to the sink. So that is the basic schematic idea, and then I'll show another video of, for all you lay people, kind of how that translates into 3 dimensions. Looks something like that, but that's how my brain works. Like this stuff is all fine and dandy, but then the real stuff is where I start to freak out and wonder what the hell is going on. So anyway, so any of you plumbers, if you want to think through that schematic, give me your feedback. I would appreciate it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.